Hello! Today we're going to look at Servio's barcode scanner app, which allows customers to configure barcode scanning operations by creating barcode scan templates. In defining one of these templates, a specific field on an object is assumed to correlate to a barcode value. The solution does not include the creation of barcodes, but only the means of scanning barcodes that have values connecting to Salesforce records for configurable data operations. So if we take a look at this barcode scanner app, we have this barcode scan templates tab. And you see I have a record created here. So let's take a look at this example record. So here we have a product to scanner. The means of this is to scan products in and out of inventory. And here we've set the barcode object API name to product2. That means that our barcode values will correlate to the product object in Salesforce. And then our barcode field API name is product code. This is the actual field that will correlate to the barcode value. Underneath this barcode scan template, we can define barcode scan options. And what these mean is when you're going to scan a barcode, these are the options that you have to select for a specific scanning operation. So we can see here I have two examples set up, one for checking into inventory and one for checking out of inventory. So if we click into this scan option, we could see we have a couple of configurable fields here. I have a description, the label of the option, an icon name that I could plug in here. This is correlating to a Salesforce icon, which will show alongside the label of the option within the scanning component. I can also define a sort order here as well, just to define the order of the options that appear on the screen. Within this scan option, underneath here, I can define barcode scan targets. And this is what defines what objects or records that we are looking to create or update when a barcode is scanned. So if we take a look at one of these examples here, let's take a look at this first barcode scan target. Here I can define the target information. So my target object that I'm looking to create or update is the product object. And here for the target object lookup field, this is how I'm actually finding the record to update or create based on the barcode field. So here I have product code. And my target action is update. My options here are just create and update. I can also decide if I want to launch a platform event when a barcode is scanned as well, if you want to integrate with other subscribers. And how to find the target for update. So this is only applicable for an update action. And my options here are I want to update the same as the barcode record. So that would be the same record that we find from the barcode value indicating that it's for a specific product record. I can choose the latest record or from a related event as well. And when I choose latest record, this will find the target based on the last modified target for the associated barcode lookup. Or if I choose from related event, that will find the target based on the related event. So when you are setting up the scanner component, you can also decide if it's for a specific event, let's say a campaign, for example, and you have barcode values that are for specific campaign members. Well, in that case, if you choose like the same as the related event or from related event, it will find that campaign member associated to that particular campaign and update that record. The other options I have here is whether I should display scanned details for a confirmation once a barcode is scanned. So you can either have records updated automatically when a scan is done, or you can choose whether you want a confirmation screen. So if you check this box, you also want to plug in the display fields, which is what fields should display from the record when you're looking to confirm a scan, as well as a confirmation label. So here we have that when a barcode is scanned, we want to show these fields, and the user will have to press a button called check-in to actually have the record be updated. You can also choose confirmation instruction text. You can populate that as well to show some instructions if you would like. So how do I define what fields I want to set on the records being updated or created? That is done under another related object called barcode target fields. So here, I am only setting one field within this target. So this is a custom field that we have inventory on hand plugged in here. For the field value type, we know that this is a number field, so we say numeric. And for operator, I chose add, so I am adding a value of 1 for this inventory on hand when we're checking into inventory. My field value types that I have is text, numeric, date, date time, or checkbox. And depending on what field type it is that you're looking to set, you'll have different options for the operator. So based on what type of field you're inputting as well, the different values will be accepted. So if it's a text field or a pickless field, any type of value that's text, you'll only have the equals operator. And you can plug in if it's like a picklist value that you want to set or any other text value. For numeric, any numeric value will be accepted. And if you want to set also a date or date time, certain types of date literals are accepted. So if you want to populate today's date, you could put in today. And for date time, you can do now as well. And if it's a checkbox field, you can just type in true or false as the value to set that. Okay, so those are all the barcode configurable objects. So let's take a look and see what the component actually looks like. So if I go to my test lightning page, test barcode scanner, this is what it will appear. So within the component, you specify your barcode scan template record ID. So this is the product to scanner. I see my two options appear here for check-in and check-out. So if I choose check-in, this input will show if you are on a desktop application. And how this works is that if you are not on a mobile device and through a browser, you will see this input for the barcodes. And you can either plug in a scanner to your laptop that's connected and scan a barcode from your laptop. And if I do that here, I don't have a scanner plugged in, I just have a barcode value. So here's my barcode product code that I want to check in. And it will automatically put a comma there as well in case you were looking to scan more than one barcode at once. And then you can click submit once you are done scanning. Here, because I have the display scan details checked on my template, I can see that these are the product name, product code, and inventory on hand currently for this product. And I have to press the check-in button to finish checking into inventory. So once I do that, I could see that it is scanned successfully. So if I take a look at it now, because I was adding a value to 1, I could see that I now have an inventory on hand of 51 instead of 50. Okay, so one thing to note is that if you are actually on a mobile device, you won't see an input here for the barcode to scan. If you're going through the mobile app, you will see your camera come up on your mobile device to scan the barcode from your camera. And we will show a clip of what that looks like on mobile at the end of this video. We also had another option set up for checkout. This was just subtracting one from inventory. And here, just to show what it looks like when you don't have display scan details, you can just click on submit and it'll update the record. So now, because I subtracted from inventory, I should see it go down to 50 now. Here's what the barcode scan component looks like on mobile. So I can press the check in to pull up the camera to scan the barcode. And once I've scanned, I have my confirmation screen. I could check in to complete the data operation. And similarly for check out, pulls up the camera to scan the barcode and then successfully scanned.